Today we have the 2016 Volkswagen Transporter camper. This vehicle has done just over 63,000 miles. It has a manual transmission and a diesel fuel type. As we step inside, we can get a good view of our kitchen area, which is complete with our hob, sink and fridge just below. Next up we have our TV just to the left, and behind me is our first of 2 double beds. As we'll be able to see from the pictures, this doubles up as 2 belted seats, making this camper 4 berth, 5 belts. To the left of our steering wheel, we have cruise control as a feature, and on our screen we can access our radio, media, smartphone integration, setup and sound. Just below we have our AC, and if we put our vehicle into reverse, we can see that it comes with Park Pilot. And finally, as we pan the camera around, we can get a good view of our pop top.